Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic name is constitute of food. Okay, children, let me know what is mean by diet. In your word, what is mean by diet? Come on, tell me what is mean by diet. Can anybody? What is mean by diet? Eat healthy food, okay, and to, to eat salad, okay, drinking full days, okay, perfect food plan, yeah, perfect food plan, okay. Means the food containing different constitute that we eat for our survival. जो हम लोग survival के लिए खाना खाते हैं, okay, this is called a diet. Means for whole day we are eating different type of constitute, okay, जो जो दूसरा दूसरा खाते हैं हम लोग खाना, like chapatis, कभी दाल तो कभी चावल and all that, this is called a diet. Okay, for what purpose do we need food, children? For what purpose do we need food? For what purpose do we need food? To eat. Okay, that only I am asking you. For what purpose do we need food? For energy, to be healthy, good, okay, to life, okay, okay. We need food for growth, development of the body, and also for the proper functioning of the body. For what purpose you need a food? For the growth purpose, for development of the body, okay, and also for the proper functioning of the body. Then, what are the different tests that food stuff have? Can you tell me the different types of tests that the food has, food stuff has? Sweet, okay, and and sour, okay, and chili, okay, spicy, spice, okay, sweet. Okay, these are the different types of taste, okay. Sweet, sour, salty, and bitters are the main taste. Bitter means kadwa bhi to hota hai na khana, okay. Hot is not a test. Hot taste hai children? No, hot is not a test. Okay. It is just the burning sensation of the tongue. We experience these different tastes due to the taste buds present on the tongue. Now we will see the different types of food constitutes. There are the two main food constitutes, micronutrients and micronutrients. My macro and micronutrients. Okay. In macronutrients, there it comes a carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats. Fats means jadapana. Okay. Means jada charbi rehti na, it's called a fats. These are the points we are going to study today. Carbohydrate, starch, sugar and fibers, fats and proteins, vitamin, mineral, a balanced diet, nourishment, and malnutrition. This is the point today we are going to study. We have learned that foodstuffs have constitutes that are useful to us in different ways. Fats, proteins, vitamin, and mineral carbohydrates. Okay, these are the others. Can you see these? Cheese, cookies, and all that. These are the others. Then meat and milk, we get what? Vitamin. Okay, we get vitamin, proteins, and all that. Vegetables, we get minerals. Okay, grains, carbohydrates. We are getting these from these things. What is the carbohydrates and fat gives us? Gives us a giving us a energy. Firstly, we will see this. Protein gives a building a blocks. Vitamin and mineral gives what they gives us? Body process and resistance to diseases. They gives us this. Who? Vitamin and mineral. Now we will see the carbohydrates. In carbohydrate, what does it come? It comes a starch, sugar, and fibers. It comes a starch, sugars, and fiber. This is also main for our body. Starch, sugar, and fiber are carbohydrates. These are the carbohydrates. Different cereals such as wheat, rice, jawar, potato has and starch, sago, etc. contains starch. Wheat में भी starch है, rice में, jawar में, and potato has and contains starch. उसमें क्या है? Starch है. जो चिकटपना रहता है, देखा तुम लोगों ने पोटैटो काटने के बाद कैसे उसको ये रहता है, हाथ के लिए just cut the potato and see what type of starch is there. Carbohydrates upon complete digestion are converted to sugar. तो क्या होता है? कन्वर्ट होता है शुगर में. Starch and sugars act as a fuel. They give us energy. They gives us sticky. Yeah, they gives us energy. They also keep the body warm. They also keep the body warm. Okay. Can you tell me what substance do we use? What substance do we use to give our body a sweet taste? Which are the substance that gives us body a sweet taste? Chocolate. Okay, sugar. Very good, Kinjal. Sugar. Sugar is the main substance. And children, I'm not asking about the fruit. I'm on the substance. Sugar is the main substance. Honey. Very good. Honey. Very good. For give sweet taste to our food, we can use sugar, jaggery, honey. Very good. Sugar, jaggery, honey, fruit juice, dates, ripe bananas, sugarcane juice, etc. Okay. Of the food that we eat raw, which one are sweet? Ripe fruits, honey, milk, sugarcane juice, jaggery are the food item which can be eaten raw, which can be eaten raw. Okay. There are different types of sugar in different food items. Everyone must be knowing sugar रहता है different जो food में. Okay. There is a sugar called sugar in sugarcane. Okay. Sucrose in sugarcane. There is a sugar called fructose in fruits. Lactose sugar is present in milk. Sugar are energy giving constituent of the food. Okay. There is a bran in flour of grain. This bran can be separated from the flour if flour is served through the fine serve. Now we will see about the fats. We will see about the fat. This was about the sugar, starch, and about the sugar. We will see about the fats. Starch turns blackish blue when it comes in contact with the iodine. Starch कैसे होता है? कैसे होता है? Blackish blue color when it comes into contact with the iodine. So we can infer that there is a starch in the potato. Sago and sweet potato also contain starch. Sweet potato is ratala. Okay. Cereal like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice contain a lot of starch. We obtain flour from this grain. Flour means wheat. This grain from our staple diet. These grains from our staples diet. We get energy from starchy food. Our body uses this energy for different kinds of work. This energy also keeps the body suitably warm. Why do we feel hunger in winter than do we in the summer? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me why do we feel hunger in winter season than in the summer season? We use more energy in winter than we do in summer. It is very hot in summer, hence we try to take it a little easy. We therefore feel hunger in winter than in the summer. In summer season, we drink water too much. Yes or no? So we do not feel so much of hunger. And in winter season, why we feel hunger? Because we do not drink water. पानी से पेट भर जाता है. तुम लोग को तो पता है पानी पीते 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 पेट भर जाता है, तो हम लोग खाना ही कम खाते हैं और खाना नहीं जाता है. और विंटर सीजन में कैसे रहता है? खाना ज्यादा जाता है और पानी कम जाता है. ओके. Then I told you about the sugar first only. So we are hungry in winter than we do in the summer. Now we will see about the fibers. When grains like jawar, wheat is ground into a flour. When jawar and wheat flour में ये होते हैं, the particles in the flour are not all alike. When the flour is shifted, we find the larger particles left behind on the sieves. These particles are fine piece of the skin or bran of the grain. Bran is a fibrous substance in the process of digestion. Fibers has a special function. Fibers substance fibers substance in the process of digestion. Fiber has a special function. Fibers substance helps the food to move forward the alimentary canal at the right speed. The undigested food is of no to the body. Fiber helps to form stool from the undigested food. Fiber is also called a rog age. It's also called a rog age. Fruits and vegetables, especially their skin, whole grains and pulses are all source of fiber in food. Fruits and vegetables are especially their skin. Okay, उसकी skin खाना जरूरी है. Okay, this is nice. कोई लोग छिलका निकाल के फेंक देते हैं, like apples, और या फिर चिक्कू का छिलका निकाल के फेंक देते हैं. It's not nice. It's a very healthy for our skin. Whole grains and pulses are all source of fiber in the food. If our food does not contain enough fiber, it can lead to constipations. Up to now, we have learned about 3 types of substance present in our body. That is starch, sugars, and fiber. Starch, sugars, and fiber. These substances are together called carbohydrate. Okay, these substances are together are called carbohydrate. The most important use of carbohydrate is to provide the body with energy. What is the important use of carbohydrate? To give protect, to give us an energy, to give us an energy. Now we will see about the fats. Fats provide twice as much energy as carbohydrate. Fats उससे डबल है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट से एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है. Fats are digested in the body and from energy gives substance. The excess of this substance are stored in the body in a layer under the skin. आपके पेट में जो फैट पड़ा हुआ है, that one is a fat. Then बाजू में बोलते ना, पेट के बाजू में भी जो फैट होता है, थाइस पर फैट होता है, it's an extra skin, okay, layer under the skin. The fatty layer gives shape to the body. It prevents loss of heat from the body. The internal organs in the body are protected due to the layer of fat. Due to a layer of fat. Even if there is an injury from the outside कभी कुछ हो गया, लग गया, immediate damage is prevented due to the fatty layer. Okay, क्रीम, बटर, ये कैसे फैट तैयार होता है? ज्यादा क्या खाने से फैट तैयार होता है? While eating the creamy thing, then buttery thing, ghee, oil, nuts, meats, eggs, yolks are the different source of fat. Are the different source of fats. This was our fats. Then this is a fat substance. Can you see butter, ghee, and all that oil? This is a fat. Now we'll see about the proteins we get from this. We are getting the proteins. Major source of proteins are this. Can you see these proteins over there? fish, milk is there, nuts are there, so many types of nuts are there, chickens are there, butter is also there. We are getting different types of dry fruits are there. We are getting protein from this. Proteins are the building blocks of the body. They are building the blocks of the body. Different organs in the body, such as the bones, skins, muscles, and hair, are made out of protein. They are made out of protein. Again, I am repeating for you. Different organs in the body, such as bones, skin, muscles, and hair, are made out of protein. ये किससे बनते हैं अपने hair and all that? Protein से बनते हैं. Proteins are necessary for healing and repairing of the body. कुछ लगा होगा तो healing and repairing करते हैं protein. Proteins are required for physical growth of the body, for the physical growth of the body also. All the types of dals, pulses, you're going to eat what types of dals? Each and every types of dals, pulses, groundnuts, milk and milk products such as khoya. म्हणजे khoya means क्या होता है? Everyone knows what is khoya, milk product. It's a milk product that is put in the milk and making a खोया से क्या बनता है? हलवा बनता है. खोए हलवे में खोया डालते हैं. Then comes what burfis and all that. तिल में okay, we are मिठाई बनती है उससे. Okay, क्या बनती है? मिठाई बनती है. Yogurt, paneer, egg, meat and fish are good source of protein. You are going to eat what types of each types of dal you are going to eat? All types of dals. Then pulses, groundnuts, milk products such as khoya, then yogurt, dahi, paneer, eggs, meats and fish are good source of protein. Carbohydrates, proteins and fats are three important constituents of food. They are macronutrient. This was the protein about the protein. See, micronutrient means what? Carbohydrate, fats and protein. This was completed. This is called a micronutrient. Now we will see micro, M-I-C-R-O. It's a micro. In that, what comes? A mineral and vitamin. What does that under it comes? Minerals and vitamin. What other vitamin, children? Vitamins and minerals. Can you tell me? Different vitamins are named using the letter of the alphabet. For example, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K are the most important vitamins. They has been given the names vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and K. Names are given like this for the vitamin. Alphabetic orders are given over there. The most important vitamin, although we need vitamin, is very small quantity. The lack or deficiency of any vitamin result in serious disorder. For example, a deficiency of vitamin A over a long period result in night blindness. Night blindness means रात अंधेरा. रात को कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता है. Only he can see in the morning. Okay, night blindness. A deficiency of vitamin D results in a weak and brittle bones. Bones कमजोर हो जाते हैं विटामिन डी से. अगर विटामिन डी नहीं होगा बॉडी में तो क्या होता है? कमजोरी आ जाती है बोन्स को. Vitamin gives us the ability to reset diseases. It gives us a diseases से हम लोग को झगड़ा करने में मदद मिलती है. Okay. Now we will see about the mineral. Iron, calcium, sodium, potassium. They are needed in very small quantity. Okay. They are very essential for the body. They are needed in very small quantity, but they have an important part to play in all the necessary function of our body. For example, iron is necessary for carrying oxygen. Iron किस किस में रहता है children? Like almond, then the brinjal and all that, उसमें iron रहता है. You are going to eat brinjals also. किस किस को वांगी पसंद नहीं रहती है, but it's nice. Walnut, yeah, it's there in that. Okay, necessary for carrying oxygen to different parts of the body. If there is a deficiency of iron in the body does not get enough supply of oxygen. and one feel constantly weak and tired. This condition is called anemia. This mineral calcium makes our bones strong. We see about now the balanced diet. This was our balanced diet. Okay. Diet containing being fit and fine means that we have enough strength and energy to study, play, and carry out all our tasks quite easily. Our body is growing well and we do not fall ill. Every now and then, we all wish to bring good health. Everyone needs and good health. Okay. The diet containing carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and mineral in proper proportion, and the one that gives nutrition in give right quantity is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet keeps the health fit and fine. Balanced diet gives what? It keeps the health fit and fine. Balanced diet means बराबर से खाना. Okay, we are going to eat whatever we need. Okay, जितना चाहिए उतना खाना जरूरी है. अगर तुम इससे कम करोगे, चावल ही नहीं खाओगे, सिर्फ सूखा सूखा रोटी खाओगे, तो तुम्हारी क्या है, कहाँ पे बैठ जाएगी, पेट के अंदर पूरा गोला गोला बैठ जाएगा. ओके, फिर कॉन्स्टिपेशन का प्रॉब्लम होगा, मीन्स तुम लोग टॉयलेट जाने के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है उसकी वजह से. Our body should get all the different constituents of food, namely carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamin, and mineral in the right quantities. A diet which provides all these constituents in the right quantities is called a balanced diet. It's called a balanced diet. Okay. Peanuts, groundnut, what they're having? Peanuts or groundnut, क्या रहता है? Protein, fats, and carbohydrate. What is there in the peanuts and groundnut में क्या रहता है? Again, I am repeating. It's a protein, fats, and carbohydrate. Peanuts and groundnut में. Okay. Then comes a jaggery. Jaggery में क्या रहता है? Sugar and iron. What is there in the jaggery? It's the sugar and iron. क्या रहता है? Jaggery में, jaggery में for children, गुड़. Okay. Banana. Banana. What is there in banana? It's a sugar, minerals, and fiber. What is there in sugar, banana? It's a sugar, minerals, and fiber. Boiled egg. Can you tell me what is there in boiled egg? Come on, let me know. What is there in boiled egg? What we get from the boiled egg? Protein, very good. Then fats, not mineral. Carbohydrates, okay. We get protein, fats, vitamin A and B, and potassium and calcium. We get what? We get a protein, fats, vitamin A and B, potassium and calcium. We get everything from the boiled egg. These are the food. Energy giving food, which are the carbohydrates and fat. Body building food is protein. Food necessary for bodily process and resistance to diseases is vitamin and mineral. Vitamin and mineral. Okay. Nourishment and malnutrition. Now we'll see the next is nourishment and malnutrition. For our body to be well nourished, we must get all the different food constitute in the right quantities. Okay. If a person's diet lacks some constitute over a long period of time, that person does not get proper nourishment. Malnutrition has serious consequence for the person's health. For example, if a person does not get enough carbohydrates and protein, their growth is stunted. किसी को नहीं मिला, समझो इनफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स नहीं मिला या फिर प्रोटीन नहीं मिला, उसका क्या होता है? ग्रोथ कम हो जाती है, बढ़ती नहीं है, वो वहां के वहां रुक जाता है. ओके. दे फील कॉन्स्टेंटली टायर्ड. एवरी टाइम दे फील टायर्ड. बहुत कंटाल कंटाल वो लोग करते हैं और सोते रहते हैं. They cannot cope with their studies or games or other tasks. Deficiencies of vitamin or mineral cause some specific disorder. Now, malnutrition means what, children? Can anybody know what is malnutrition? the person who does not get enough food to eat, उनकी सिर्फ हड्डी हड्डी दिखती है, no skin is there on their body, एकदम छोटे छोटे रहते हैं वो, उनके पतले पतले रहते हैं, only bones are, we can see their bones and all that. If any constituent is lacking in the diet, then the person suffers from malnutrition. Okay, malnutrition has serious consequence on the health of a person. If carbohydrates and proteins are not enough in the diet, then the person has stunted growth and he and she feels continuously tired. If someone eats only one kind of those foodstuffs that he or she likes, then such a person does not get proper nutrition. अगर तुम लोगों को सिर्फ चॉकलेट ही पसंद है या फिर कुछ राइस ही पसंद है या फिर केक ही पसंद है, यू आर गोइंग टू ईट केक केक केक, उसकी ग्रोथ भी नहीं होती है. Means you should get a nice proper diet. You should get a nice proper diet. Means it's called a balanced diet. This was our chapter, what I taught you children today. Let me recall it fastly. The body gets energy from carbohydrates. Proteins are necessary for the growth of the body as well as for the repair of the wear and tears of the body. What is that? It's the protein. Protein is a very nice for our repairs and tears and wears of the body. Our body gets energy from fats too. किससे एनर्जी मिलती है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट से मिलती है, एंड फैट से भी अपने को एनर्जी मिलती है. वी आर गेटिंग एनर्जी फ्रॉम द फैट्स आल्सो. Although our body needs vitamin and mineral in a small quantity, a deficiency of any of them can lead to disease or disorder. Fruits, vegetables, and their skin, cereals, and pulses are all source of fibers, are also okay. If a diet does not include all the food constituted in the right proportion, it leads to malnutrition. Malnutrition has serious consequences for a person's health. For the person's health. This was our chapter today. I hope everyone understood the chapter. Let us start with the question answers. Everyone is ready? Dash in our body, in our food gives us the ability to reset diseases. Dash in our body give us the ability to reset diseases. Reset protein, wrong answer.